Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is episode 4 of the trail building series, and today I'm going to be building a jump and landing, and it's going to be the biggest one yet. So what I've got here is a really fast berm down there into this roller, and then berm, which I'm not going to hit because it's going to continue down here, and I'm going to try to build a jump here and a landing right here. So before we get into the video, please subscribe and at least like the video. It's a wet day. It's gonna be a lot of work. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so for a quick update, what we got here is this right here is fixed. Push it back some, it's a little bit steeper and taller to say. But the main thing is this, made it wider. I'm going to build a berm right here, and then this. It's going to be taller, but this is going to be big. Landing's going to be back there. It's going to take a while. It's going to curve around like behind that tree kind of. But yeah, that's what we got so far, and this is gonna be good. Really fast, hopefully a big jump. I got a new bike coming soon, so this is gonna be awesome. Let's continue on, and I'll catch you in a bit. Alright, so quick progress update. What we got here is a little berm gone here. Haven't really done much with it yet. And then over here, we're starting to make a big indent into the side over here. We need to shave all it off, throw it somewhere, probably over here on the berm. But yeah, I got this a little bit packed in. It's really rough. It's not smooth at all. It's really bumpy. We'll take care of that. But yeah, we're going to finish this out right now. So let's get back to it. everyone. So I've been working for like 3 hours minimum. It's been a long time. And yeah, this is what I got so far. This is all gonna be coming down. It's really good dirt, and I moved it down there. I'll fix it another time, but that's for another day. This looking really good. I had to raise up a lot because it's so much work to push all that downwards. So I'm gonna build it up more. I might even add more, but this is looking good. So let's give it a test run, and I really hope I don't crash. Here we go. That was a really bad fail, but I don't think I had enough speed, so I'm gonna try this again. And oh my gosh, here we go. All right, everyone, so it's about a week later, and as you but what needs to happen is, since it is muddy and slick, this clay will be really good for packing, and I need to get this finished. So what I've been doing the past few days, when it was a little bit dry, I dug down and then I put all that dirt up there, so it's taller. I did run my bike down a little bit. It didn't work very well, but yeah, we're gonna try to fix this up today and get this finished so when it dries we can test it. All right, let's go. All right, so it's been about an hour now, and it was so wet, so it's not perfect, but it's patted down. It's smooth as I can get it because it's so wet, and it's hard to get it to not stick to my shovel. So here's what we're looking at. It's good enough to ride on.